February is National Heart Month and Valentine's Day. I'm Caitlin Farron, a registered dietitian with Fareway, and I'll show you how to take 3 heart-healthy foods and turn them into a delicious dinner for your Valentine. Salmon is my favorite heart-healthy food because it's loaded with omega-3s and lean protein. Simply sprinkle your salmon fillet with your favorite low-sodium seasoning and bake at 350 for 10 minutes. Avocado is my second love. High in potassium, it can naturally lower your blood pressure. Add this to a simple side salad for a heart-healthy boost. And last, strawberries. High in antioxidants and fiber, dip them in dark chocolate for a simple, festive dessert for your Valentine. For these recipes and more, head to fareway.com.